This is second numerical in moment distribution method and two span continuous. This had appeared in April 2017 question paper for 12 marks. Okay, let us draw this. A continuous beam ABC. So I draw it here. A span ABC has fixed support at A. So this A support is fixed and simple support at B and C. Simple support at B and at C. Okay. The span length of AB and BC are 6 meters and 4 meters. So AB is 6 meters, BC is 4 meters. Span AB carries UDL of 40 kilonewton per meter. So I apply 40 kilonewton here, 40 kilonewton per meter throughout, while BC carries a point load of 30 kilonewton at 1 meter from end C. From end C at 1 meter span, okay, that means this is 3 meter, that is 30 kilonewton point load acting. Flexural rigidity of AB is 2 EI and that of BC is 1.5 EI. Using moment distribution method, analyze the beam and sketch SFT and BMD of the beam. So very first step, okay, this is solution. Very first step is assume all the members as fixed. So AB is fixed and BC is fixed and calculate fixed end moment. So let us do that. Assume each member as fixed and calculate fixed end moments. Okay, so let me do this step by step. A and B, UDL over that is 40 kilonewton per meter. Then we have 6 meter span and we have to calculate MFAB, which is minus WL square by 12. We know this, we have learned this in previous chapter. Okay, so substitute WL square by 12. So what is W? W is minus 40 into 6 square divided by 12. So this is 40 into 6 square divided by 12. So we have minus 120 kilonewton meter. Okay, similarly we have MFBA, which is positive WL square by 12, therefore positive 120 kilonewton meter. Then the next span, that is BC. Okay, assuming this as fixed, that is 30 kilonewton. We have 3 meters here, we have 1 meter here, and this is 4 meters total, and this is BC. So I write MFBC is equal to minus WAB square by L square. Substitute minus 30 into 3, this is A, this is B, into 1 square divided by 4 square. So we get value 30 into 3 divided by 4 square. We get value 5.625. So right here minus 5.625 kilonewton meter. Okay, similarly MFCB is positive WA square B by L square. So this is going to be 30 into 3 square into 1 divided by 4 square. So the value is 30 into 3 square divided by 4 square. So this value is 16.875 kilonewton meter. So we have values calculated. Now the second step.